Sports Collection. We go live on this YouTube channel every single Monday and Thursday at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now, we are doing a Schwartz Sports Mystery Quad Box, guys. This is a Football Stars Canton Collection, Series 6, Box 46 of 50. There's an autographed mini helmet, autographed jersey, autographed 8x10, and an autographed football inside. This was a team-based break. Let's go ahead and click on over here and show you who gets what. Andrew Chappie, you have 2. Thomas Worth with 2. And Kenny Osborne, you snagged the rest of them. We are going to copy the list. We're going to go to random.org, and we are going to randomize 5 times. Whatever position the names are in after 5 randomizations is going to be the NFL team that you have. Good luck. 5 times. Kenny on the bottom.
Kenny on the top.
Kenny on the top.
Kenny sandwich with a lot of Kenny in between.
We're going to paste right here. Kenny Osborne, you have the Cardinals, Falcons, Ravens, Bills. Thomas, you got the Panthers. Kenny Bears. Thomas, you have the Bengals. Kenny Browns, Cowboys, Broncos. Andrew Chappie with the Lions. Kenny, you have the Packers, Texans, Colts, Jags, Chiefs, Chargers, Rams, Dolphins, Vikings. Andrew Chappie with the Patriots. And Kenny Osborne, you got the rest of them. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and click on over here. And someone's going to win something.
Probably Kenny.
Looking like Kenny. I'm sure Andrew and Thomas are crossing their fingers.
I would ask trades, but I'm guessing Kenny would just trade with himself.
Good luck. Here we go, guys.
Bring me live.
Live action.
WWE. Chair shot. Action. Alright. Here we go. There's 1.
I gotta do this.
There's 2. What?
Somebody just said I'm interested in buying the quad box, but I don't understand how it works. I have to end it because these were purchased off. Stand by with us for 1 second. I'll do it on my phone.
Quickly.
Go ahead.
Alright. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I want the football to have the name. Pointing directly out. Alright. We've got the mini helmet first. Ironic. Eh? Oh no, never mind. There's the mini helmet. Houston Oilers. Hall of Fame. What does that say?
Elgin Baylor, Hall of Fame.
Yeah, what's the number though? Hall of Fame.
Hall of Fame 2013.
I was gonna say 03 maybe? Elvin Bethea. Yeah, Elvin Bethea. Nice. I don't know when he went. 13 maybe? 03? Something along those lines? Nice. That's going to go to the Tennessee Titans, so that will be the AFC South.
Yep, it's team break. Quad box is team. It's just...
Well, it's the Titans.
Sure.
Either way, Titans. So let's do the photo. Do the photo. Anthony Miller, I believe. Allen Robinson.
Nice.
Nice. Allen Robinson. Nice. NFL. There's the authentication. A02928854. Nice. That is going to the Chicago Bears. I think I might throw this box.
Oh, lovely.
I think I might throw this box. I'm actually shitty. I've been trying to get one of these for a minute. Oh, no! I'm so upset with life right now. I'm going to close this up and... here's the football. Dang it.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, I said the same thing. That's why I wish they wouldn't package them.
Like a glove.
Wouldn't package them with the sticker out. Because as soon as I pulled the
Pulled it out, you saw who it was?
Yeah. Well, as soon as I opened the thing, I knew who it was.
Check it out.
Check it out. What's it all about? You guys should know what that signature looks like. Like a glove. Brian, you're gonna be real shitty too in 2.7 seconds, because I'm real upset with this entire life and my entire everything. That's a Nick Chubb football, fellers. Whoever's got the Cleveland Browns got themselves a nice Nick Chubb football. Nick Chubby. Nice. Nick Chubb. And here is the jersey, and I'm really kind of shitty. I'm so mad. I'm literally so mad.
I'm excited.
Oh, okay, Jeff. Next time we pull a Baker Mayfield out of here, I'm going to be like, dude, it's cool.
I'm happy for somebody who got it.
It's cool. Baker's 1 year ago. Freaking Troy Aikman's been my entire freaking life. Ah. No. Oh, I've been trying to get one. Ah. Oh.
Troy Aikman, Dallas Cowboys.
Ah.
A lot of good hits in there. All right, let's go ahead and click on over here. And let's assign them.
And it's Beckett. What a freaking hit.
We got a Dallas Cowboys. Kenny Osborne.
Oh, Kenny. I loathe it.
Aikman.
It's Beckett.
Houston Texans. Kenny.
Who? Oh, wait, what?
I'm sorry. I meant to say Tennessee Titans.
Okay.
Tennessee Titans. Kenny.
Cleaning up the box. Planned on it, Brian.
We have a Chicago Bears. Allen Robinson. Kenny.
Last one for the Kenny. Does he have the AFC North? That is the question.
Well, I messed that up, but we know what that is. Cleveland Browns, Kenny Osborne.
Kenny cleaned it up! First time JP Sports Collection cleanup. Everybody clean up. Good stuff, Kenneth.
Nick Chubb cleaned the whole box up. All right, guys, we're going to copy this list. We're going to go to random.org one more time. We are going to paste and randomize 5 times. Whoever is at the number 1 spot after 5 randomizations gets a free spot into an autographed mini helmet. 5 times. Kenny Osborne.
Kenny.
Copy. We're going to do the quad box is done. Let us know if you guys like the quad boxes. We can get some more if you're interested.
That was a hot box.
3 mini helmets. Kenny Osborne once and twice for 10 or more spots. All right, guys, there you go. We are JP Sports Collection every single Monday and Thursday, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this YouTube channel. Please hit subscribe and the bell for notifications. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. You guys have a good night.